The probability that a randomly chosen positive divisor of 10 power 2023 is an integer multiple of 10 power 2021. So 10 power 2023 is 2 power 2023 into 5 power 2023. How many factors does this number have? 2024 into 2024. 2024 square. It should be our denominator. How do I get that? Any factor of this number of the form 2 power a into 5 power b. A can take all values from 0 to 2023. B can take all values from 0 to 2023. 2024 values each. That's why we have that many factors. Nice, brilliant. Now, probability that a randomly chosen positive integer of 10 power 2023 is an integer multiple of 10 power 2001. Second condition. Denominator is this 2024 whole square. That many factors are there for this number. What is the numerator? Under what conditions will this factor of this number be a multiple of 10 power 2021, 10 power 2001? So 2 power a into 5 power b should satisfy two conditions. Factor of 10 power 2023 and multiple of 10 power 21. Sorry, 10 power 2001, not 21. Sorry about that. Brilliant. So this number should be a multiple of this. That means it should contain 2 power 2001 and 5 power 2001. Or what values can A take? A can go from 2001 to 2023. What values can B take? B can again go from 2001 to 2023. Or A can take 23 values, B can take 23 values. How many possible numbers are there? 23 into 23 combination. Or the probability that we are looking for is within this many numbers. What are the chances are our number is within this subset? Our probability is 23 into 23 by 2024 into 2024. 23 square by 2024 square. Nice and simple. Seems like a very intimidatingly tough question. It is not.